family, welcome to another video from me, and in this video we're gonna talk about my lock expectations that I had before I got locks that didn't really happen like that. Before I got locks, a lot of things are running through my head, like how am I gonna look? I'm gonna get locks now, I'm gonna have long hair, I'm gonna have short hair, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have locks, no more permed hair, la la la. And a lot of things went through my head, and I also had a lot of expectations. But then now that I've had locks for 6 years, I'm looking back like the expectations that I had did not happen at all. I had them written down because I'm trying to be prepared for my videos. The first thing was, for some reason, I thought my personality is gonna change. Why, I don't know. But I thought when I got locks, I was somehow going to manifest and change into like an Erykah Badu kind of person. Like, you know, like just, I was gonna have an automatic sense of awareness, sense of self, an automatic instant, you know, knowledge, just appreciation of the universe, vegan right away, very, how do I say, artsy. I'm trying to look for the characteristics and I'm trying to picture it in my head. It's hard for me to articulate to what I'm thinking in my head. Listening to Erykah Badu, Bob Marley kind of music, Lauryn Hill, more of a, I don't know if you guys are trying to get what I'm trying to say with these adjectives, but just more, I just thought I was gonna have an instant change in my personality, but lo and behold, if you guys know me, I am quirky, I am off the top, I like to crack jokes, I love to laugh, I love to do silly things, I love listening to trap music as well as dancehall music as well as R&B and soul, neo-soul, country. The person that I was before didn't change, just that my hair changed, but I was still me. I still like to wear tight, sexy clothing occasionally and also wear nice, loose-fitting long skirts, head wraps. It didn't change. And I thought I was only going to be like a different person, but I'm still me and I love both sides of me. The next thing is, I thought that when I got locks, I was always going to keep my hair on point, okay? I was going to have a hairstyle every week. It was going to be washed, fresh, retwist, styled up, boom, you can't tell me nothing, fresh to death every week. Now after 6 years of having locks, please, child, please. I wear my hair down, no style, 90% of the time. The only style I do, and you guys see, is most of the time I curl my hair, and that is excitement enough for me. I curl my hair. Other than that, I might, you know, do a little bun action like today. But the buns are not that often because first of all, no one told me that when you do a bun like this, it's hard for you to get into the car and drive. Trust me, I learned my lesson. And then sometimes the locks can be heavy and I'm not really feeling that my scalp itches and I'm like, oh, I don't really want it anymore, take it down, no, so not for me. My hair is down most of the time. Sometimes I'll do a center part and sometimes I'll really switch it up and do a side part and just flip that bad boy to one side. And that's my hairstyle. So before I had locks, I thought I was gonna get hairstyles done every week. Now it's like, curl it, center part, side part, maybe a bun or two, and that's it. The next expectation I had before I got locks was I thought people were gonna judge me. And judge me in the way where it's like, she has locks, we can't chill with her, she won't be fun anymore. Why, I don't know. Or she has locks, we can't listen to trap music or rap music around her, we can't go clubbing because she's gonna want to stay home and burn incense and, you know, sit on a yoga mat and not do anything else. I just thought people were gonna judge me like, all these stereotypes. And to be honest, maybe it's because I live in New York, but people with locks are so common that it's just like nothing. There's no judgment. It's just show your personality, you are who you are, and that's it. So I don't find that I'm judged that much. I'm not really judged with my locks, and if I am, people don't mention it to me. But for some reason I thought that I was gonna like just be judged. instead of people seeing my cool, like an awesome, crazy personality, they're gonna judge me and think that I was something else that I wasn't. Not that there's anything wrong with yoga mats and meditation and all that. It's just that that's a part of me, but that's not all of me. And I thought people were only gonna see that side of me. The next thing I thought was, I thought I was gonna be happy with my hair every day. I thought I was gonna wake up and the sun was gonna shine and my hair was gonna shine and I was gonna be happy every day, because once you have locks, that's it, you're happy, nothing can go wrong. When the truth is, I wake up some days, I'm like, ugh, my hair is sticking up, I'm having a bad hair day, it's not like how I want it. I'm not happy with my hair every day. And it's not because I have locks, whether I had relaxed hair or loose natural hair or whatever. It's just how your hair is. You're not going to be happy with your hair every day. You're going to want to switch it up into different styles. You're going to sleep on it wrong. It's going to get wet. Something's going to happen. But I thought once I got locks, I was going to be happy with my hair every day. You're going to learn today. Just be happy with your hair regardless of how it is. I'm happy with my hair like 99% of the time. Maybe 95% to be honest. And some days when I'm not happy with it, I just wrap it up in a head wrap, wear a hat, or curl it like I said in my other video. Not happy with my hair every day, but 95% of the time is still good enough. And last was, I thought that once I got locks, I was somehow going to be entered in this secret society of lock wearers, like. And I'm not talking about the lock community here on YouTube. I just thought for some reason that somehow I was going to get invited to exclusive lock parties in my area, or people with locks are just going to gravitate to each other and have gatherings, and I don't know. I thought I was going to learn something that I didn't know before, or just somehow be affiliated with this lock group. Not YouTube, just in my everyday life, just somehow be an exclusive member in the lock society in New York. But I don't know if that society exists. I don't think it exists, and I think I just made it up in my head. Listen, I don't know, okay? I didn't have locks then. I didn't know what to think, so I don't know. But I just thought I was going to be part of some kind of secret society where we had like a secret look when we saw each other in public, like a secret look, a secret handshake, a secret smile. I don't know. People are going to be like envious of our secret society. I don't know. I don't know. But those were my lock expectations that I had before I got locks, and then I had locks and I learned pretty quick that none of those were true. So if you guys had similar lock expectations or different ones that just totally did not happen that way, leave them in the comments section. I would love to hear what you guys thought before you guys had locks, or if you don't have locks yet and you're planning on it, what do you think is going to happen when you have locks? Can't wait to read your comments. I know it's going to be a great discussion. And that's all for now. I know you guys might probably think I'm crazy now, but it's just a part of me. I am a crazy, quirky kind of girl, and that's who I am. With a little bit of, you know, Erykah Badu in there. Anyway, that's all for now. Don't forget to connect with me and join me on my journey on all my other social media sites. Everything is at KayaJourney to make it easier for you. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.